What is going on, guys? This is Race Lab Industries with the brand new channel along with brand new content. We have upgraded a lot of things over the past year, and I know I haven't even came close to updating anybody. We got a brand new camera system set up too. It's all on a gimbal, so it's like really fucking sweet. Can't say that, but you get what I mean. We got our cameraman back here, but he's taking the day off, I guess. So basically what we're gonna do today is go over the whole shop and the projects and my new car for next year. We picked up the brand new chassis. So basically, to give you a quick rundown, is last year we had some problems with the 3.4 liter stroker in the 350Z, so I sat out all season. I had a lot of things go on between getting the new shop, paying the machine bill, paying for the stroker to get fully refreshed. So once I got that back, we quickly realized I was way too deep into this build. As you can see back here, it's pretty sweet, but it definitely got way out of hand. So basically I wanted to take a step back from doing Pro-Am. I always had a dream to do Pro-Am, eventually make it into Pro. I know I had the car to do it. I had the skill behind the car. It really is the finance part. It takes a lot of money, and I quickly realized how much it takes. And I didn't even get to drive Pro-Am. I just, pit crewed for Tom Snyder and all that fun stuff. So basically, what I have behind me, well, actually not behind me, but behind the camera in front of me, is the brand new chassis. Some people know, I already kind of posted on Facebook, which I promise we are not going to be doing that. We're going to keep everything directed towards YouTube first, and then proceed to go further after everything is released. But we'll go ahead and turn around real quick and give you a little quick view. So basically, we have some really sweet shots for this thing. Say 1999. Let's turn around real quick. Still getting used to this whole gimbal thing. It's really hard. Let's go down. It's a 1999 Spec S S15. It was imported about 6 years ago and came from Cali, went to Detroit, went back to Cali, and then went back to Detroit where I picked it up. So that is a build, our build for 2020. We have some wild plans for it, and some people actually know the plans, but some people don't. I want to give this away. We are putting 1J VVTi in it, pretty much all stock besides Link ECU. So to go with the 3.4 stroker, that's obviously for sale. The Z is for sale. Potential buyers, but that's about it. Nobody actually serious quite yet. But here is, so with the S14 Kooky, it's been a long-term project. Finally getting it all buttoned up. We got the roll cage. We still got to finish welding in the back. We're doing a rear firewall and a whole bunch of other stuff. So be sure to look out for that too. Got some Hot Boy wheels. Crispy. H1J VVTi. We also have another sweet video going on with that, but we'll give you a sneak peek. Oh. Yeah. Kind of hard one-handed. No wonder why we have a cameraman. There we go. Yep, that's just a sneak peek real quick. Really loving the gimbal though. Brand new Canon GSX or G7X. Sorry, not GSX. This is in a Mitsubishi Eclipse. So here we got over here, right under the 350Z. It's our first candidate of the 2019 to April 1st, 2020 Race Lab Industries / Drift Cleveland cage deal. I partnered with Drift Cleveland with Scott Petty to make sure that all of the ABC groups and Drift Cleveland, PA, Ohio, New York dudes are safe for drifting. So basically this is what's getting is, let's go ahead over here real quick, oh, all the way. Just a 8-point MIG welded cage. It's going to be, has gussets, A pillar, B pillar, not quite yet. I just got mostly everything tacked in. We still got working on door bars. I want them a little bit tighter, but you can kind of get the gist. So we got gussets, bash bars, front and rear, fender mounts, custom seat mounts, you know, the list goes on. So that's pretty much our projects over here at the new shop. And we have I forgot to even tell you, so we kind of went away with the other shop because it was really unhealthy to be there. It rained, and when it rained, it poured inside. So pretty much anytime you were trying to weld, it wasn't really exactly ideal. Really unsafe, and it really messed with your health and mental health, I guess, because you really don't want to be there. You don't want to do anything. This is the fab area between welding, bench. Over here, bandsaw, press, drill press. Brake in the back corner over there. We're getting a Bridgeport here really soon. Get the welders, TIG, MIG, my bender. So basically it's a 3,500 square shop. You just let one rip. So 3,500 square foot shop, roughly. It's got 2 bathrooms, which we didn't have any of the other bathroom, and most importantly, it's got, I'm gonna raise it up. Oh yeah, it's got heat. So we're keeping that about 65 year round. Right now it's getting pretty cold in Ohio. Let's go back down. We got a powder coating area, sandblasting area. It's a little messy still because we were just getting all after Thanksgiving and whatnot. We had a party here, so basically like a, hey, this is Race Lab Industries party. So right here is actually the man who let it rip, his E36. We caged that about March, April ish of this year. It's fully TIG welded, MIG base plates, Let's go down. Super tight fitting cage. Let's take a quick glance at that. So basically what we're going to be doing, we're going to add a harness bar and A9 intrusion bars for this winter. We put a 391 diff in it, so what he likes to call is a poor man turbo. Works great, definitely fast. Back here is another long-term project, and I say long-term is because we had a lot of issues with it. Customer brought it to us with a built motor already and had a lot of issues and ended up having a bad engine. So when I sent his engine off, I actually sent my stroker off. We just got both engines back about 2 months ago, so we're getting this all tidied up. It's actually a twin turbo VQ 35, and it's stroked, or maybe bored too. I can't exactly remember. It's been a little bit, and I've got a lot of things going on. So, but yeah, we're just about finished with that. We have a little minor touches to go ahead and just add that all together. This is a S13 coupe with a RB25 big turbo. We did a head gasket, ARP head and studs install. We're doing charge pipes, down pipe, connecting the exhaust. We're gonna do clutch and differential. And this is a buddies of ours Civic wagon, which we possibly may be doing a drag build eventually once we get all the funds straightened out. But you know, main thing is, like I said, we were talking about this. I'm kind of leaving it a secret a little bit on what we're doing. A lot of my friends know what we're going to be doing with this thing, so I guess you just have to stay tuned if I actually find out. But we're going to give you a little tour of the office real quick. We got some crazy carts too that we like to have fun. Office is nothing crazy, but you know, it's got a security system for cameras, TV, long nights. Got a pull-out couch, casting couch. Ooh. Yeah, we got camera, or not cameras, but we got laptop, my MacBooks in here, you know, all the fun stuff. So yeah, basically that's what we got going on around the shop. It's a brand new shop. Well, not brand new, but brand new to us. I hope you guys enjoy what we are going to be producing. This is just a quick little overview of what we're going to be doing and what we have going on around the shop. So like I said, we're going to be finishing up some projects, starting this project here really soon. And I also have something to show you, but it's kind of dark out, so I guess we're gonna have to really wait till it's daytime to show you the new tow rig that you guys missed out, because we've been actually towing with it. How many months have we been towing that with? Like 2 months? With the new tow rig? How many months have we been towing?
Since summer mats, or fall mats.
So August? No, it was in September.
We went.
No, it was October.
We went to, yeah, since fall mats.
So we've got 2 months of the new tow rig, and it's really doing great. We actually were on World Star too, so we're gonna add that clip in at the next video when we do release or show you guys. We have some things to button up with that too over the winter. Nothing crazy. I already did a lot of converting to it, so. But I hope you guys enjoy these videos. There are gonna be a lot more coming. We're gonna try to do once a week. I still need to work on the editing. I still need to work on the whole talking with my hands, but which I'm doing better. I found it a lot easier if I record than the cameraman records, because I like to talk with my hands a lot. So we're trying to work on that.
You're still doing it right now?
Not as bad. But yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, share, do your thing. We're trying to have a lot of fun. We're gonna do a lot of traveling next year. We're gonna be doing a lot of drifting and a lot of fabrication, a lot of roll cages, a lot of turbo kits, you name it. We're gonna be doing it all here at here at Race Lab Industries. See you next time.